Hey Python coders! Today we will be learning how to make a triangle using the Python tutorial library. We'll also learn how to change the color and the width of its side and fill the triangle with a color. So let's get started. So very first thing is to import total as t. Next thing is to make a line, and then we'll see how to make a triangle out of it. So let it be 200, and the next thing is to write t dot main loop so that the screen does not disappear. So let's run this, and you can see a line is created. Okay, so if we want to make an equilateral triangle, then this means that the interior angle should be 60 degree, so we need to rotate it by 60 degree, and which side that we need to see. So if we rotate it by 60 degree to which side, so this means that it will go like this. So let us make a triangle by rotating it towards left 60 degree. So let us make a triangle like this. So if we want to make a triangle like this, then we need to rotate it left by 60 degree. So let us say t dot left 60, and it can copy paste this because an equilateral side has all sides equal, and you can see if we rotated it by 60 degree towards left, then it went like this. Okay, so that means we did it wrong, and we need to rotate it by 120 degree to make a triangle like this. If you want to make a triangle like this, so this means that we need to write here we need to write 120, and if we run this program, and you can see, yeah, we are correct now. Okay, and now again, to connect this, just have to copy paste this, or we can even use a for loop. So you can see this, a triangle is formed. So the next thing is to change the color. So for that we can just write t dot color, and here we'll writing red. Now let us save and go. So you can see a red triangle is formed. Now the next thing is to change the width. So for that we'll writing t dot width, and here let us say 5. You can see with 5 triangle is formed, and the next thing is to fill this red triangle with a yellow color. So for that we can write t dot fill color, and we'll write here yellow, and then t dot begin fill. So begin fill, and at last we'll writing t dot end fill. So this means that for filling the color or any shape with a particular color, we just have to mention the color first. So here I have written yellow, and then we'll start it filling it, and here we have ended. So let us run and see. So you can see the shape is filled with a yellow color. So this was all for this video. Hope you enjoyed making a triangle with Python title. Stay tuned with us for more such videos. Happy coding!